dancing in the city lights, city lights. Ain't it ready? Gonna be no better time. We're feeling high and you know we got a good flow. And there ain't no one gonna tell us no, tell us no. No, 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 let's go. No hesitating. We gotta move, we gotta shake, we gotta get up all getting liberated. Feel like something's out of control. Your mind says yes and your body says oh, let's go. Oh, oh, oh. Let's go, let's go.
After almost 2 years, binalik ka sa akin ni Lord. Then, I prayed. Sabi ko, Lord, kung mawawala lang ulit siya sa akin, ilayo mo na lang po ulit. But I guess He answered. God gave me the same person, but a different version.
You are the silence. You are the celebration.
Nalala ko pa nga yung mga panahong naghihintay ka ng 3 hanggang 4 na oras sa akin para makita at kumain sa labas pagtapos ng trabaho ko. Dahil sa pagkatsaga mong yun, nakuha mo yung puso ko.
Kasi minsan, nagde-date lang kami yan. Pupunta lang kami sa church eh. Tapos and then uwi na, ganyan, kain ng konti, uwi na. Tapos lagi ko lang tinatawagan, let's do sa work.
However, after 3 years of being together, dumating yung pagkakataon na sumuko ka. Sumuko tayo. I was there all along, yet you chose to leave. Wala mang makuhang sagot sa tanong kung bakit, pero kailangan tanggapin.
Sa lahat ng oras na magkasama tayo, you were there for me and for my greatest challenges. You encouraged me to grow. You helped me believe to myself and become the person that I am today.
You know, oy!
Hi, and hello pala. Hello, love. Please remind me na dami akong time sa'yo. Sana ikaw din. I love, thank you. Gagawa akong time para sa'yo.
Hi, love. Alam mo, visit na visit ka na sa phone mo. And gustong-gusto mo nang kunin yung phone ko. Eto, binili na kita. I love you. Meron ka ng pang video and picture. I love you. Thank you for choosing me. For pagbalik mo sa akin. Thank you for marrying me today.
Your love and trust makes me a better person each and every day. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na gagawin ko lahat. Hindi gagawin ko lahat para mabigay sa'yo lahat.
Walang perpektong relasyon, walang perpektong tao, walang perpektong buhay may asawa, pero sa gitna ng mga pagsubok sa buhay, kayo'y ipinapaalalahanan na sana ang pagmamahalan ninyo ay parang ginto. Sana yung pag-ibig na yon mas lalong tumibay kapareho ng isang piraso ng ginto.
vow to love you next to God. I vow to support you and more patient with you. Na hindi mo mapagod intindihin ka. I promise to stay kahit sa mga panahong mahirap kang mahalin at intindihin.
In your arms and by your side, I know I can do anything. I'm proud to call you my wife.
Finally, I found my place, my home.